Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Please do leave a comment down below if you saw where I made a mistake yesterday. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 116. If we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 4 here makes this our 8, 4. For this box now, we're only missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. No help here. 1, 5, 6. 1 and 6 here means this is our 5. That 6 means this is our 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this top row, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this column now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. And to finish out this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.